switching out my half bath's light, ceiling light. This is what was up there, this little boob light. Probably seen these before. These little normal lights. And this is the reason why also, because look at this. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if you can see it real quick. These bugs keep getting caught in there. It's gross. Not that there's not gonna be bugs in this one, but this is what I'm gonna switch it out to. I wanted something a little bit different and pretty. Hopefully it's gonna be seen. So this is what I'm gonna be working on real quick. Hopefully it works out. We'll see. Let me show you what I am working with. I already turned the lights off. I already set the breaker basically. And this is what we got. I gotta get my ladder and we'll set everything. Oops. Alright, so as you seen in the last clip, I already took the globe of the fixture down, so now we're gonna take the base of the fixture down. For this one, it only had 2 screws where I'm unscrewing now. And then once I got those unscrewed, I was able to pop that part off. And then you can tell I was a little bit confused for a second, but then I realized that all I had to do was unscrew the wires from each other. Just take the wire caps off from each of the wires real quick. Let me zoom on in there real quick for you so you can see a little bit better. I didn't really get the best angles on this. Once I got the last cap off, I just had to untangle the grounding wire from each other and we're good to go. Next, I unscrewed the bracket that was for the old light fixture so I could install the new bracket for the new light fixture. Here I'm setting up the new bracket. It's a little bit longer than the old bracket and the holes weren't lining up correctly at first, but I was able to get it to work out. Finally done with that part. Time to get the light fixture. Hopefully you can see this, but I have blue, brown, and yellow wires. The yellow is the grounding, the blue is the live wire, and the brown is the neutral wire. Up here, hopefully you can see, probably not, I have white, brown, and black. So I'll be connecting blue to white and black to brown, and then the brown to the yellow grounding wire. All right, and we're gonna see if that works. If I die, you won't see this video, so. All right, so here I'm connecting the wire caps to the wires. I was having some issues with this, specifically on the grounding wires, so I did have to stop for a second and then take some of the insulation off the grounding wires so I had more to play with. So you finally get that done, and then you see me shoving all the wires inside the hole so I can get the base onto the bracket. I went ahead and put the screws on both sides of the base real quick by hand, and then went back in with a screwdriver to tighten it up. I don't know if you could see that, but that screw fell right onto my eye. So, yeah. No, whatever. Let there be light. Oh. All right. We are good